Hi guys, welcome to Only Man's Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to cover revision test 2 continuation guys of chapter 2, 4, 10 and 11. So in the previous video we covered section 1, right? The previous video we covered section 1 and in section 2 we covered till 10 sums. Yes or no? Now we are going to cover 11 sum and 12 sum guys. Now what is given? A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 11 hours. In 11 hours it can go 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers in downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and speed of the boat in still water. Okay, let's start. That is 11th question guys of section 2. 11th of section 2. Students, in this scenario, what are the two unknowns here? Boat and the stream, students. So let the speed of the boat in still water is x kilometer per hour. The speed of the stream in stream equal to y kilometers per hour. And speed in downstream is x plus y guys. Speed in upstream is x minus y. These are the steps to be taken when we are talking about boat sums. Okay. Now we know that speed equal distance by time, and if we make time as subject we get distance by speed. If we make distance as subject, time into speed. So now according to the sum, students, boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. So it becomes 30 by x minus y because upstream, right? 44 by x plus y because downstream is equal to 10. Equation 1. Okay, next, boat goes 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. So it becomes 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13. Equation 2. Solving, put, see, this is not in the equation form, in the equation form. So put 1 by x minus y equal to a, students. Then it becomes 38. So then it becomes 30a plus 44b minus 10 equal to 0, students. Then 40a plus 54b, 55b minus 13 equal to 0. Solving 3 and 4. Okay. Solving 3 and 4, we get b equal to 1 by 11. Okay. After that, students, substitute b equal to 1 by 11 in equation 2. We get a equal to 1 by 5 guys. Okay. Now put a equal to 1 by 5, b equal to 1 by 1, 1 by 11 in 1 by x minus y and 1 by x plus y. Okay, because the question is given in terms of x and y, right? We need to prove even that also. So it becomes x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 11, students. Solving those two, we get x value equal to 8 and y value equal to 3. Okay, therefore the speed of the boat in still water is 8 kilometers per hour. The speed of the stream in still water is 3 kilometers per hour. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. I'll give total sum once again. If you want to make a note, make a note. This is the first page, guys. Now see, these are the steps. This is a continuation. Thank you.